Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you this Peppa Pig playmat that comes with 2 cars. Here's the flyer of the playset. It measures over 5 feet and over 3.5 feet tall. This playmat looks a lot like a plastic mat, but it's made of a soft rubber and it's very colorful. Here it is opened and it's actually very big. Now we're gonna open the 2 little cars. This is George in a little car. This is a blue car. Right here we have Peppa Pig in a little car. Peppa's car is red. You cannot remove Peppa from the car, and you cannot remove George from the car. These are plastic cars. You can drive your little car to the park, to Peppa's little house, by the gas station, under the hot air balloon ride. Watch Peppa Pig and her family go camping. Say hi to Grandpa Pig on the train. Choo choo. And even make a pit stop for some ice cream. Well guys, thanks for watching my videos and stay tuned for a lot more from Peppa Pig right here on Disney Collector.